Okay, ang red gloves, si Galea. Whereas ang blue gloves, si Alira. Coach Hamili is instructing them, telling them what is allowed and what is not allowed. Ang importante sa boxing, defend yourself at all times. Okay, this is our first round. Galea starting very aggressively. But hindi man magpapirdi si Alira, bato man. Trading of punches. Galea versus Alira. Okay, break. Okay. Fight again. Ari si Mami ara. Okay. Okay. Sige pa, wala pa natapos. Okay, stop. Round 2. Galea versus Alira. Way niya pa wayay at tapulay. Nice. Blow by blow. Okay, excited ang everybody. Nice. Okay. Center. Okay. On top of the action is Coach Hamili. Dire natin mapakita kung ano kahugot sang kasing-kasing, no? Guts, willpower. No surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Okay, this is the third and the final round of the third bout. Galea in the red corner versus Alira in the blue corner. Okay, you have less than 1 minute. Birana. Don't stop. Dali na lang ang time. Kamot po ba? Okay. Nice. Balos. Okay. Yeah, dali na lang. Pila na lang ka seconds. A few more seconds. Impress the judges. Don't stop. Dali na lang. Okay, time. For the third bout, ang aton winner is blue corner, Alira.